Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome to Ama82K. Before we get some work done, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this specific tutorial, I am going to show you how to set your Ableton Live for Amapiano. So this video is about setting up Ableton Live for Amapiano, right? So before I start, if you're looking for Amapiano loops, log drum for Ableton Live, if you want Zoom classes, you can check. My number is in the description below, and also some links to download things like log drum packs and other stuff that I post on this channel, right? So let's start setting up Amapiano. Setting up Ableton Live for Amapiano. I'm gonna have to put the BPM that I want to use. So in this case, I'll go for 113. I don't know what BPM you're going to put that side. It's up to you. And then the next thing that I'll do is I'll come to the reverb return track and just have the decay set to around to about 5, 6, 7 seconds. And then the next thing is I'll go for delay. I'll change it to like 4-2-4 or 1-4, or it depends, or anything, or even 1-3. It's up to you, but most of the time I'm always on 4-4. But in this case, I'm gonna use the 2-4, right? And then a little bit of feedback, it is important. And then the next thing is I'm gonna go to the master, and then on the master I'll load the glue compressor and have the soft clipper. Yeah, I'm getting tired because I'm talking non-stop. And then on the after soft clipper, we'll add more attack, and then after more attack, we just crank the attack all the way up and a little bit of quick release, and then that's it, guys. And then after this, you are done. What you can do to these settings, if you want your Ableton Live to open these settings every time when you load your Ableton Live, you can just come here and say save as a template. No, not save as, sorry. Save live set as a template. So in this case, I'm gonna save mine as Ama82K, right? Just like this, right? So you can still right click here and click this set as default template. So meaning that every time when you open your Ableton Live, it's gonna start like this. But then in this case, we're done. It's time to show you why we did this. Why are we setting our Ableton Live in this way? So right, let me just have something like a drum loop here over here. So right, so this drum loop that I'm playing, you can see that we're not clipping here, right? So having a glue compressor here on the master, it prevents from clipping. Also massive, loudness, when you just maybe adjust something by mistake, or if, plugins misbehave. Because sometimes I also use like cracked plugins. So sometimes they misbehave, like it can just, go massive, it can just behave. I'm talking about misbehaving, so this will prevent blowing your speakers from such. So for example, if I turn this off and just play this, you can see that we're clipping here, right? So if we have this glue compressor with a soft clipper, it's just gonna prevent us from clipping, because we don't wanna clip all the time, especially on the master. Sometimes this side I can clip, like myself, sometimes I can clip there and there, and most of the times I don't clip. But if I want to clip, I can clip. But as long as I'm not really clipping this side, so I'm still going to be perfect. So speaking of these settings right here, as long as we like this, these settings are not working because we don't have any compression going on. But once you maybe play around with this, you can hear that the compression is happening. So the quick release obviously is gonna this release. The reason why we had to lower the release is gonna just allow our compressor to have like a quick release, not to compress the signal all the way up. I mean, like throughout the song, like to compress and so that we don't lose the punchy of the song as well. Also the attacks, we just allowing the transient, those knocks, the especially the log drums, we don't have to squash those knocking, those transients. So this is why we putting the attack all the way up. No, it's not necessarily to go all the way up. It depends on what you do, but most of the time I'm always here. And then the ratio, I don't play around with it. And as long as you are here, because this is the master, and I'm not going to compress anything, but these are the settings that I just put in case if I maybe try to maybe have like 1 dB, reduction, and just have a little bit of this, just to have that punch. If I switch this off, you can hear. But obviously when you're starting a project, you won't go reach this side, but I just put this to to be there in case of any accident, of anything that might happen. So let me act as if I'm creating something so you can and actually understand the use of these settings I just showed you right now. So I have my drum, ambient. Okay, let me put this one. I'm gonna put it here, right? And then I'm gonna lower. Let me have something like like a melody. So do you guys know that most of Ableton Live presets, they're like super dry? You understand? They're like super dry, especially if you come under instruments. For example, let's say you want something under wavetab, and then you're gonna go maybe for synth keys. For example, let's say I want this. All right, yeah, it's dry. You can see like it does not have anything. So these presets are sometimes when you click it here and when you use it, it will be boring. But then let me just try to do like a quick melody. Here I'm pressing on the push, so I'm just picking my scale, right? Okay, let's say this is my melody, and then I'm gonna do this and quantize this. Let me find okay, I think I need this one, so I'm gonna grab this one and put it here. Okay, these two, they're not necessary, so right. Okay, I think this is okay. One last thing. Even this, I like it. I like this sound. Oh, I like it. Okay, sharp. And then let me just go to this. Let me just have it. Remember, guys, all right, so now the purpose of us having the reverb to be set on the like these settings that I showed is like on your melodies. Like most of the Ableton Live melodies, like presets, stock presets, they're dry. So if they're dry, that doesn't mean like they're not good for music creation. So then I will just do this. So I'll do this. You can hear that it's now different, and then I can maybe have an EQ, just just to do maybe something like this. Cool, and that's it. And then let me go to the other one. The same thing. You can hear it's starting to becoming sweet. So now Let me go to the another. Even this one. This one I'm gonna try the delay that we put, which is the B. So we're sending this to B. So. This one is too much. Maybe a little bit of panning. I'm gonna have to pan to this side. Okay, let me turn all this a little bit down. Okay, so now this reverb is gonna give us a nice, nice ambient. We know what is reverb, guys. Like, it makes us have, big stereo as well, and just for like a good space. I'm sure you guys are getting. So I'm going to switch off the reverb and the delay so that we can hear before. In fact, let me just solo this. So if we remove this, yeah, it's different. So let me just select all these tracks and just add more reverb. You see, this is super dry. So it's like that, guys. And then with our supporting delay. I like it. Alright, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. That's all, guys. This is how you going to set your Amapiano, set your Ableton Live ready for Amapiano, or set your Amapiano ready for Ableton Live, guys. So thank you for watching. Love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Yes.